Hello, my name is Muhammad Farzarifin. Today I'll be presenting about my research on rebuilding Universitas Airlangga's ILIS mobile application for library members using user-centered rapid application development approach. So about ILIS is that it is an integrated library system developed by Universitas Airlangga Library. ILIS is based on ILIS Lite v3, which comes with a variety of built-in modules, such as modules for library members, staffs, and OPAC. Library members can use ILIS for education to manage their various needs with the library, such as searching for available books and registering for library classes. ILIS for education is accessible through its website and Android application. Now, for the Android application is that the members can download it from the website. However, the application itself is still in development to this day. After exploring the app and interviewing with the developer, it was found out that the app is converted from its website using a third-party service called AppsGeyser. This results in the app do not differ from accessing the website through a mobile device. Now, the problem with the app is that the conversion was done with minimum configurations for mobile apps. This results in the app to inherit similar bugs from it, which also affects its interfaces. According to a comparative study of Slims and ILIS Lite, there are inconsistencies with ILIS Lite's interfaces within its run with mobile devices due to its native framework. Now, compared to that, Slims doesn't have the same problem since it uses Bootstrap framework, which supports responsive interfaces. The solution in this research that are proposed are to rebuild the app using a framework for developing mobile apps. So in this research, Flutter is used as it. Then measure the app and the prototype's usability and functional suitability aspects based on ISO IEC 250 and 10 software product quality model. And then implement the user-centered rapid application development approach as a guideline for the project's lifecycle. Now, the methodology used in this research is similar to the user-centered rapid application development. So there are four main stages in this research. The first one being data collection, then the second one being interface design, then system architecture, and then evaluation. It should be noted that interface design and system architecture are iterative side processes. Now the results of this research is the finished is a new prototype version of the ILIS. So in these are the example of the pages in the app and the prototype. The left one is the original ILIS application, then the middle one is the first design before the iteration. Now the right one is the final result of the prototype. These are the summary of the results of the comparison of usability and functional suitability scores. So in here there are the score of the original ILIS application and the prototype. So it can be seen that there are increase of score based usability and functional suitability. So previously the ILIS has a visible usability score and a very good functional suitability, but the prototype score has a very visible usability score and a very good functional suitability score. Now, the novelty of this research is that this research uses a user-centered iterative software development methodology for rebuilding an existing software. Now, the inventiveness is that the final result of this research is a prototype that is more suitable for a mobile app compared to its previous version. For the market potentials of this research is that the completed version of the prototype it can be configured and offered to be used as the mobile app of ILIS Lite, which will then can be adopted by the National Library of the Republic of Indonesia. The relevance of this research is that although most of the functionalities of the app remains the same, the change in the design and the interfaces of the app affected the user's experience the most. Developing the app in a framework for mobile apps also helped to solve the limitations of ILIS Lite native frameworks interface inconsistency for mobile device. Now, the status of the invention is that it hasn't been published and the rights and the source code belongs to the library of Airlangga. Now, that will be all. Thank you for watching.